Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you viewers how to make a 3D square. But before we get started, remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring that dinker bell. So first, you need a marker or a pencil or a pen or whatever. And you're going to draw a square. You can measure if you want it to be picture perfect, but I will just be drawing a square, normal square. This is super easy, and like anyone can do it if they try. It doesn't take that long. So this video, sorry about that, how it looks kind of wonky. And then what you do is you do that, connect them, like that. And then, I think that's basically it. Now you have a 3D square. You can also color it in if you would like. Mine is going to be like an ice cube. So if you're gonna do an ice cube too, go get a light blue and white and maybe some black and peach. And then I'll see you when I got them. Okay guys, so I got my pencils. I'm actually only using 3, a really dark navy blue, peach, and brown. Oh wait, I forgot my light blue. I'm gonna go get that. Okay, I got this color. It doesn't need to be super, super, super light. And if you're wondering if I'm a kid or an adult, I think you can probably already tell I'm a kid. So, the first thing you want to do is color in. This part takes a little bit if you have your cube super big. We are all done that, and I do not really want to work on droplets. I have to learn how to do droplets, but bye guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring that dinker bell. Bye.